Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Avalanche, AVAX, and take a look at price predictions and see where this could take us. Before we get into it, though, smash that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. And let's get into it here. So AVAX is the price have bounced back above $30, and has it reached a bottom? Well, we're going to look at that here. We're going to look at all the technicals and see if we can figure out where it's going to go. So, despite the bearish trend, AVAX trades in a corrective pattern and bounced sharply yesterday. The price has fallen since reaching a high of $50 in December, and the price is creating a bearish engulfing candlestick. The next has It has created a bearish engulfing candlestick the next week. That would be this one right here. So yesterday, AVAX fell to a low of $27.21 and then bounced, which it validated a long-term horizontal area of where the price previously broke out. AVAX is in the process of creating a long lower wick, which is the green icon in the chart here. We can see here. This is the wick. So that means it dropped down to here and then it was quickly bought up to here. And then that's kind of where it is looking at right now. So the weekly RSI gives it undetermined reading. So we're not really able to take to take it into consideration, but it doesn't give us a definitive outlook, right? But what are analysts saying? So traders and analysts on X have a bullish view for the future. So MTI Trading believes AVAX has nearly reached its bottom, and he tweeted, "AVAX is already 45% down, a little bit more, and you have a good entry for the bull run. If you want to be more safe, wait for the next buy signal." So that is actually a pretty good opportunity. We see the run up here, and this was over the course of since October. We see the run up here, and then obviously the retracement back down. So Wolf of Altcoins suggests that AVAX will be one of the cryptocurrencies that increases 10x this bull run. Well, top gainer today stated AVAX will go to 50 or even $100. Now, none of this is financial advice whatsoever. We do look at technical analysis as a means of trying to predict where, the price action is going to end up. It is one thing that we use to kind of determine, if we're going to enter or exit trades. And things can obviously do what they, macro factors and all that stuff can kind of determine, change the course a little bit, right? But this is definitely something that I always look at. Technical analysis on the daily, it suggests that AVAX will reach a bottom soon. Since December, the December high, AVAX has fallen inside a descending parallel channel. Such channels often contain corrective movements. The wave count also supports the creation of a bottom. So if AVAX breaks out from the channel, so this is the descending channel here, it can increase 35% to the closest resistance at $42. So we can see here, so that is the descending channel, the green icon there. And yeah, so they're predicting possibly up to 42. So that's what I got for you guys. I mean, I'm looking over at some of the technicals on TradingView as well. We're still in a momentum down on the 4 hour, which is one that I look at all the time. The day is also the same. I think we're momentum up on the 1 hour. However, that's just a short term, basically, outlook for me. I usually look at the 4 hour and the day and the weekly to get a better gauge of where it's going to go long term, because I'm a bit more of a longer term trader or a bit of a swing trader as well. I don't necessarily day trade. It's just not something that I'm built for. I'm too busy throughout the day to be checking on prices continuously. I do way too much to do that. So AVAX is definitely one that I'm looking at entering. I do agree with this entry point here. I think I'm going to wait and see if we can get down to the roughly around the next support line, and then I might start a position in AVAX again. I did actually have it throughout the last bull run. I made some pretty good money on it as well. And it's one that it was probably one of my first wins in crypto. I came into the bull run almost around the top. I lost quite a bit of money, and then I started doing some research, and it's like, okay, well, it didn't scare me away. It just made me want to do a little bit better, right? So that's kind of where I'm at right now. This is going to be a bull run that I'm actually set up for. So I'm really excited this time to see, what happens. I've made some money over the bear market as well. And, it's definitely something that I'm looking forward to. That's what I got for you guys in this video. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.